this. This is a little microvan that I saw when I was in Raleigh at Rars Fest, and this is something that the state fair apparently is using for themselves. But check this thing out, man. Why can we not have stuff like this on U.S. roads? I understand there's insurance concern. These things would not do well in a crash, probably not equipped with airbags or some of the other modern conveniences, but I'd be willing to pay more in insurance and have the opportunity to drive something like this, because this thing was so cool. Check out the inside here as I walk up on it. I mean, it is a full-featured van. It's just a microvan. You got the 2 seats there, all equipped. This one obviously looks like it's been hard living, and it's a little stick shift. And man, it had a beautiful cargo container in there, probably about 2/3 the size of a regular minivan, but just so much cooler. I'm betting that thing's got a 3-cylinder in it. Probably still tops off around 70, 75 because of its size and weight, but just awesome. Anyway, that's my rant for today. I thought I might share this with you. There's probably more brands out there, but that's just this one. Take care.